This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max from 2020. Now the S22 Plus has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 8 gigs of RAM on Android 12 in its latest version of One UI 4.1. iPhone 12 Pro Max has the A14 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 15.3. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus versus iPhone 12 Pro Max speed test comparison. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Oh! And the iPhone 12 Pro Max from 2020 booting up a little bit faster here, followed immediately, if I can get it to open, by the S22 Plus, not too far behind, as you can see. Not too bad on either phone. And we are in. Alright man, let's just get right into the speed test. I'm gonna go like that on the S22 Plus, no recently used apps. I'm gonna do this on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So you can see there's nothing in the background. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. I think that was a draw, but let me know in the comments. Messages. Very close. Let me know in the comments again. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. I'm gonna do it like this. Faster on the iPhone. Fire up the clock on both phones. Very close again. Start that up and let that run in the background. Calculator. And again, very close. Again, you guys are the judges really. So let me know in the comments below. I jacked that up. This is what I meant to type. There you go. Let me know if you get it. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the S22. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on a random thing here. We'll leave it on here. Amazon. Ooh, a little bit faster on the S22. We'll go ahead and click on, let's see. Ooh, check her out. Let's see. We'll click on, what am I gonna click on, man? Click on the deal of the day. Why not? Click on this. We'll go ahead and just leave it right there. eBay. Let's see. Ooh, very close. I think that's the iPhone, but let me know in the comments. There we go. I think that was the iPhone again. Let's see. Click on the same thing here. Or I guess it doesn't really matter. We'll go ahead and click on that. We'll leave it right there. Super Mario Run. Let's go. Let's see. Loading. I think the S22 is ahead. Let's see. Ooh, but the iPhone caught up. iPhone faster on the second step. Subway Surf. Let's see. Loading on both phones and faster on the iPhone. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Line up this phone. Both are logging in right now. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, iPhone's ahead. Will the S22 Plus catch it? What will happen right now? Oh. And, oh! S22 Plus with the comeback victory. There we go. And then we do have this one. Let's see which one's gonna be quicker on the CSR here. Let's see. Which one? Ooh, hearing noise from the S22 first. Will the iPhone catch up? It does not, and will give the win to the S22 Plus on this one. Modern Combat 5. Let's see. Ooh, the iPhone is super fast on this. Wow. But the S22 is not that far behind, really. You know, so you can see extracting files. You know, you can take this one with a grain of salt. because the sequences are a little bit different on either phone. It's not exactly the same, but in general, both are fairly quick. PUBG. Here we go. Craft. I think the iPhone's out in front. Yeah, the iPhone's out in front. Will the S22 catch it? iPhone's already loading, and we'll give the win to the iPhone 12 Pro Max on this one. Get rid of that. And then the S22 Plus is still loading. Yeah, S22 was lagging on this one quite a bit. Twitter, iPhone, Instagram, Draw, Snapchat, S22 Plus, Chrome and Safari. We'll do some, web browsing here. We'll go ahead and do a Google search for, I don't know, what should I do a search for? Oh, I know. Manfrotto. Why Manfrotto? It's because I'm looking right at my Manfrotto mini tripod right in front of me right here. You can't see it's off frame, but I got a couple of them just chilling, right in front. So we'll go ahead and do a search on that. All right, what we got? We'll do the image. See, what do we got? Okay, we'll scroll. You can scroll through these images on the iPhone and on the S22 Plus. With the 120 display, nice and buttery smooth. Yeah, who doesn't love a fast, smooth display? Gonna click on that. We'll do the pinch to zoom, which you can do here. And then do the same thing here on the S22. Nice and buttery smooth. Again with that 120 display. Love that. We'll click on this one. Click on this one. Nice and fast. Scroll. Not a problem either phone. Super fast. Let's see. What can we click on that's the same? Or are they different? Might be different. Huh. Trying to be consistent, but I don't know if that's gonna work. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna click on two random ones. Not the same image, but you get the idea. I mean, the browsing here on either phone. Nice and fast. Should not be a problem. However, on the S22 with the faster display, I think it's a little bit more of an enjoyable experience, on this phone. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, so you can see. So let's just go ahead and run through these apps again, and we'll have a look. We'll document any, stutters, any slowdowns, or if there's none, then there's none. Looking good so far on both phones. No reloads as of yet. And then this one's good to go. That one's good. CSR Racing 2. And then there you go, you can play. No reload of the entire game, so that's good. This one. Good to go on both. And then let's see, we do have this one again. Oh, we have a reload here on the S22 Plus. As you can see, iPhone kept it right there. Now S22 Plus, this one does have 8 gigs. iPhone has 6. So this has 2 more gigs of RAM. Already one reload, none on the iPhone. Mario Time is good to go. eBay, same place. Amazon. Ooh, that's another reload. This one kept it on this page. As you can see, I can continue to purchase this if I wanted to, add it to cart, etc. This one, it reloaded the Amazon app completely. So 2 reloads on the S22 Plus. Play Store, App Store, same place. Calculator, same place. The clock app. Still wearing the stopwatch. Now I've never seen this actually reload on any phone ever, no matter how much RAM it has. So I'm still waiting on the day that this actually starts over on its own. The camera, whoops, I already pressed it. Well, that doesn't really count, does it? My bad. So yeah, you can scratch that one. Messages, there you go. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Samsung Knights, are you rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus? Do you have the S22 Ultra, now with an S Pen? Do you have the regular S22, which is a very good phone by the way? Do you have a Note 20, Note 20 Ultra? Do you have the S21 series from last year? Or are you an Apple iSheik, still rocking your iPhone 12 Pro Max from 2020? Are you gonna upgrade to iPhone 13? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.